to reveal the title, poster and 2D motion teaser of our film. So, this film is directed by Mr. Shrivas, produced by Mahankali Nagarjan and co-produced by Arika Pudi Sumit Kumar, Shailesh Bambure and Shyam Bodhapati. And the banner is Madhvi Creation and Mr. Munnagi Prabhakar is the CEO of Madhvi Creation. So it's all about the movie. So let's see the title of the movie and I want all the media persons on the stage to reveal the title. So please come on the stage, all the media persons, and please give a big round of applause for all of you. Thank you.
Wait. My name
And now I'm going to tell you something about the film. The film intensely explores a dark and complex world where drug network, corporate power and political influence coverage in a high stake. Battle for money, power and control. At the heart of Phoenix Raja is an honest businessman who chose to build his life through hard work, principle and integrity rather than political connection or influence. When powerful foes turn against him, his personal struggle transforms into a large fight for truth, dignity and the future of the next generation. One of the film's most significant themes is the growing influence of the drug mafia on Gen Z, raising a disturbing yet relevant question. If the future of Gen Z can be controlled, and if yes, who controls tomorrow? While the film, which is being mounted on a lavish scale to be shot both in India and abroad, portrays a world dominated by power and manipulation. It also presents a strong counterforce in the form of an honest officer, a powerful judiciary and individual who refuse to remain silent in the face of injustice. They do not stand behind one individual, they stand behind the truth. The title Phoenix Raja draws its central metaphor from the phoenix, a symbol of survival, rebirth and the unstoppable nature of truth. The film core philosophy is summed up in a powerful statement. Truth can't be burned, truth can be buried, truth can be suppressed, but it can never be destroyed. The 2-minute 2D motion teaser deliberately keeps the identities of the principal character under wrap. Instead of revealing faces, it introduces audience to the mysterious world, corporate power, political game, drug network, justice and truth. The teaser ends by leaving audience with one compelling question. Who is Phoenix Raja? So everybody, we are going to launch our 2D motion teaser in Hindi. And very firstly, I would like to invite Head of Production, Mr. Dev on stage. So please come on the stage to launch the very first teaser of Phoenix Raja in Hindi. Please give a big round of applause for Mr. Dev. CEO of Madhvi Creation to launch the teaser in Telugu. So please give round of applause. And let's see the second teaser. Launch the English teaser. let's make a huge round of applause for Mr. Prabhakar, the CEO of Madhvi Creation, and for Madhvi Creation as well. ये जो मूवी है माधवी क्रिएशन के अंडर, इस बैनर के अंदर यहाँ पर लॉन्च हो रही है. सो माधवी क्रिएशन और सीईओ के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. मिस्टर प्रभाकर के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And now I would like to call on the stage our director, but before that I want to tell you something about him. हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं इस फिनिक्स राजा के, वो तेलुगु में बहुत सारी मूवीज कर चुके हैं, बहुत जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं. एंड यहाँ पर तेलुगु का मैजिक वो हिंदी में ला रहे हैं आप सभी के लिए. सो पहला डेब्यू है उनका हिंदी में. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए, नन अदर देन मिस्टर श्रीवास. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. So Mr. Srivas is the director of this Phoenix Raja. और सर को इंट्रोडक्शन की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है मेरे, बट स्टिल हिंदी में पहला डेब्यू है, बॉलीवुड में सर का बहुत बहुत वेलकम है. तो देखते हैं जो तेलुगु का मैजिक है, जो तेलुगु में इन्होंने अपना जादू बिखेरा है, वो हिंदी में बॉलीवुड में किस तरह से काम करता है. तो सर का बॉलीवुड का पहला डेब्यू है, तो उसके लिए सर मैनी मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस एंड वेलकम टू द बॉलीवुड. एंड हम जानना चाहेंगे आपसे कि फिनिक्स राजा मतलब ऐसा नाम थोड़ा सा हटके है, तो नाम कैसे आपको आइडिया आया, या फिर किस तरह से फिनिक्स राजा की मेकिंग के लिए क्या स्टोरी है, हमें बताएंगे प्लीज.
Good evening everyone. This is my first Bollywood movie, as well as this is my first interaction with all you people. So I'm very thankful to all media here. So the Phoenix Raja, this is actually what I want to explain you about the Phoenix Raja wall I just showed you. I think you people understand the Phoenix Raja. So this is a very powerful political, judicial, drugs, whatnot. Actually what is happening right now in front of our generation. So the everything will be here. So I want to tell my thanks to my producer, Mahankali Nagaraj. Actually, when I traveled with him, he told me so many incidents which has happened in his life and surrounding people. So, inspired from those real incidents, something triggered in my life. I just started writing this Phoenix Raja. So, it's shaping out very well. So, I just wanted to introduce the world of Phoenix Raja. So, in future, in next interactions, we would like to announce our artists, the main characters of the film, and technicians, everything. So we are planning this movie in a very larger scale. So we'll take some time and tell you everything. Thanks for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And thank you so much, everybody. And let's invite the co-producers also on stage.
Prabhakar garu and Dev, Karna, please come, all of you.
So ये सभी वो मेंबर्स हैं जिनकी मेहनत लगी है फिनिक्स राजा के पीछे. तो मूवी की सक्सेस का श्रेय भी इन्हीं लोगों को जाएगा, इसी टीम को जाएगा. प्लीज गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. If anybody want to say something about Phoenix Raja, please.
Good evening, everybody, and I think apologize for the delay start. Our director Mr. Srivas has come up with a very good script and an excellent script based on some of the real life incidents. So we are actually planning to produce this film and shoot the film in a big scale, and even plan to do some schedules in abroad also. So and subsequently we'll have many more announcements on this, and then we are going to release this in Pan India. Thank you very much. Thank you all. We are actually looking for all your cooperation. Please take this to the people. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you so much to all the media persons, all the members present here.